Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I am going to share with you how to turn on or off edge panel in your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's take a look how to do that. You might be recently brought this Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra and you might be noticed somehow your edge panel is off, or you want to turn this on or you want to turn that off. Anyway, if you want to turn your edge panel off in your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, you can go in your phone settings section and then you can scroll down and you need to click here display and you need to scroll down and then you will find there's something say edge panel. If I turn this off, now if I swipe right to left, this skin not going to be appear. If you decide to turn on edge panel, if you turn this on, now if I swipe right to left, we will see my edge panel. So in this simple way you can easily enable or disable edge panel in your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.